What's going on, guys? Just got this FS130R steel weed whacker and string trimmer. I want to show you quick how to get the slack out of your pull cord here. So easy trick. Just pull those 3 bolts off here, those Torx, T27 Torx. Pull this through. We're going to wind this one more time. And there we go. Now I think I could get a little bit more out of that. See this little notch here? It makes it a little easier. Pull there. Oh. Go one more time. Grab this, pull the slack through, get it on that notch, and make it another turn. All right, you don't want to turn this too many times. You'll put too much stress on the spring. There we go. And then it's just mount it back on with the 3 screws, and you're in business.